Okay, so in this video, I think this is part 6 or 7 now. I should probably check between videos, I suppose, but that's okay. In this part, we're going to add beers close because we need it to deallocate the memory. Don't want any memory leaks happening in our programs, of course. So fairly simple, actually. We'll put it below here. We'll just declare procedure beers close export end procedure. Very simple. And all we're going to do is pass in pjson pointer. Oh, that is obviously not very right. I need my declare pi first. Beers close. Doesn't return anything. NPI. Okay. And then we're just going to JSON close. That's one of the JSON XML procedures. And we're just going to say, what am I going to say here? We're going to say, oh yeah, it's really obvious, pjson. Sorry, my mind goes blank at all the best of times for some reason. That's okay though. And of course, I'm pedantic, so I'm going to go ahead and put that, when it saves, I'm going to go ahead and, I could do it now, it doesn't matter. So I have my beers close. That's great. Let's go ahead and save that. And of course, we need to add it to our ref file. So I'm going to go ahead and do that too. Punk API H. Slow today. Not sure what the occasion is. Okay, and then of course, let's fix this up. And let me go ahead and add decal PR. In fact, why am I even typing it? That's better. ext proc. Now, I'm going to be very simple here. I'm actually going to add my own copybook at the top of the service program here because I like to make sure that the copybooks are always correct too. Punk API. Okay, let's go ahead and save that. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Okay, so then of course in our example 1, what we can do here is say beers close, and then we'll pass in our data pointer. So let's save that. We can't compile it yet because we need to compile our service program again, and that's okay. So we can actually compile this while it does that. So let's do a create SQL RPGI mod. If it compiles before it saves, I'm going to be very upset. Okay, compiling. It's taking its time tonight, which is very sad. Not sure why. Anyway, there we go. There's that. And then, of course, we can create the service program itself. I'm guessing my session is disconnected. Yep, I love this session. Oh, we have a compile error. Oh, okay. Although, that's strange. Oh, ext. Yeah, that should work. I guess because, nah, we don't need it. That's okay. Let's just take it out. Oh, I know why. Because we have the binding directory and we're trying to find. Yeah, never mind. So let's create a SQL RPGI mod. That compiled. Let's create the program, the service program. Oh, is it the same issue? Oh, right. Actually, we can take that out. Or can we? Service programs are sometimes the most annoying. Oh, we could do an update service program, but that's a lot of work. You know, the easiest and just most disgusting way is to just punk API. If we just remove this and then compile and then create the service program, it works. And then if we add it back, that's really what the update is for. Really, we should be just updating it every time. And of course we can, but I just choose not to for this, I suppose. I could actually just add a command to update it. Okay, so we have our service program back in the loop. And now we actually have added beers close, so I can try and compile this as a bound program. I love that. It works. That's really awesome. So that really was the point of this video, just to add the beers close. Of course, we should still be able to compile call our program. If I call it punk API, call example1. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So that's cool. That's our first example, fully working with the close. That's excellent. So in the next video, we will actually, I think we'll do it in two separate videos. We're going to go ahead and add some of the more interesting APIs here, which is cool. So see you in the next video.